What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download and play Roblox on your Android phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Play Store app. After opening the Play Store app, you have to click on search option and type Roblox. Okay, Roblox, just like this. Then you will find a bunch of games here. What you have to do, you have to click on this option here that the Roblox already have been downloaded 1 billion times. You have to click on this app. Then you have to click on install. I have already installed this game, so that's why I am seeing the playing option. So you will find a install button here, then you have to click on install. So after installing the Roblox app, you have to click on play. Then your game will be launched on your mobile phone. Then you can play any mode from Roblox here. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.